In this video, I will show you how you can delete your YouTube videos on your PC in 2020. Step number 1 is to go to youtube.com and you want to click on your profile icon at the top right corner and you want to click on YouTube Studio, which is going to launch your new YouTube Studio. You can also go to studio.youtube.com and this will directly take you to the YouTube Studio. Now once you're here, you want to click on videos and then you'll see a list of all your videos. You then want to find the video that you want to delete. You can then go to the video. You can then click on these options, aka these three little dots, and then click on delete forever right there. You can then click on I understand that deleting is permanent and can be undone, and then you can click on delete forever, and by doing that you will delete your YouTube video on your PC in 2020. So if this video helps you out, guys, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. Let me know in the comments if this works, and then I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.